Hello and welcome back everyone to the new video lesson of our course. In this video, we'll learn about how we can link all the pages to our websites on the header. So you can see this is the header of our website. It doesn't have a logo right now, and I'll teach you that how you can make a logo without any graphic design skills in the next video. So after you have made the logo, here you see that here are many pages, the links to many pages on where we click, we are redirected to that page, like the about us, contact us, blog, shop, and many pages like that. So you would be thinking that how we can do that, and that is the same thing I'm going to teach you in this video. So first of all, you have to go to your dashboard. So when you are at your dashboard, you have to go to appearances and then menus. And this is where you'll add the links to your headers. Now you have to just go ahead and create a new menu, and let's name it header menu, and then hit create menu. And after you have hit create menu, it would take a while and load. And then you will see many other options like add menu items, menu settings, and let's first go ahead and do the settings for the menu. And you have to just enable main in this one and then hit save. Let me explain you what the others say. So this top bar means, let me show you that you would be seeing a blank space on the top of your website, and we'll be removing it in the next video. So we do not need it right now, but we are just going step by step. So I'll go ahead and customize the website, and in that time I'll remove the top bar. Now you would be seeing this main option. So main is your main header, and the footer is this black portion of your website. Now this mobile optional is let's say that you go to your website on a mobile device, but like if there are a lot of links here, about us, contact, and many others, these will be displayed as they are displayed on a desktop, like side by side. But the good thing is that Ocean WP, the theme we are using, gives the user a menu option then and there, which looks really good compared to this option. So I wouldn't recommend using this mobile optional option. Now let's go ahead and add the pages which we'd like to add. Now I'll just go ahead, contact us, about us, blog, my account, and then I'll add the shop page also, and then hit add to menu. And this is the same sequence in which your pages would be added to your website. Let's hit save and go and reload our website. And yes, as you reload it, you'll see that these appear on your website, and now they look really professional. But you would be wondering that how you can change the sequence of these, and it is very easy by just dragging and dropping things. So I'll just first go ahead and make shop, blog, my account, and contact us and about us. This is the recommended sequence of a page. And let's go ahead and save menu again. Saving your work is very important. Yes, so now as you have done everything, let's go ahead into some details of how you can add more things to this and make this more functional. And I think in our my account section, we would be needing some more things like some options of checkout and lost password and many other things like that. And to do that, what you have to do is you have to go to WooCommerce endpoints, and you have to just check all these, and then you have to hit add to menu. And as you add them to menu, you will see that they all have been added. Now let's just drag and drop the my account option above them, and then what you have to do is you have to just click on those and you have to drag them to the right, and then you'll see that they all become a sub item of my account. And let me show you that how it seems on a website, that how can you see them. And you can see this page is saved, and let's go to our website to see this. And yes, now you can see that there is a drop down arrow on my account, and here it is displayed everything which we would like to display. Now another thing, you should go to screen options now, and then you should enable this product categories option if it isn't enabled by default. Now you have to go to product categories, and then you have to select all these categories, and I'm going to show you a very awesome thing here. And as you have added it, you can see all of them here. And let's go to our shops page and make it down, and then let's do the same thing, make them sub items. And you can also make sub items of sub items, like if you can say this electronics category is a single category and this mobiles and accessories comes in the subcategory of electronics, you can also drag it to the right again, and then this mobile and accessories will become a subcategory of the electronics section, which I do not want to do right now, but this is a very good way of organizing your categories. So now as we have done that, let's go ahead and save it. Okay, now as we have done that, let's just go ahead and make the sequence like the way we want. And yes, we have made it to our desired sequence. Let's just save it and go to our website and reload the page. And there you go guys, you see everything you did there, and it now looks very cool and professional. And in the next video, I'll teach you that how you can create an amazing logo which would blend in with your brand to give your brand a better look.